Hi everyone. Today we will introduce and explain some concepts in some new concepts, new vocab used usually in financial math. So we will start by in this session by introducing salaries and wages. Okay? So First, salary and wages are method of payment, okay? Because we have a number of different ways in which people are paid for providing their labor, knowledge, skills, and services, okay? So each method we have different method of payment like salary, wages, commission, piecework, and fee. Each of these methods payment has advantages and disadvantages. So in this session, we'll explain what we mean by salary and wages. Okay, so normal by description and definition, salary is a fixed amount per year. Okay, per year, per week, per month, usually paid weekly or fortnightly. Okay, so instead, another way, wages, and it is an hourly rate for an agreed number of hours per week, and it's usually paid weekly or fortnightly. Okay, so we will start by what we mean by salary or wages. Salary and wages can be permanent or casual. Permanent or casual. Okay, so permanent employees have security of employment. So the advantage of salary and wages, okay, the advantage is that the permanent employees have security employment through a workplace agreement and receive benefits such as sick leave, holiday leave, etc. So on. Say they may be employed as full-time or part-time. Okay. Casual employee will be discussed about casual employees will be discussed in the next sections. Okay. So first, we have an example to how much how to calculate fortnightly salary, yearly, monthly from a weekly salary. So for in this example, Georgina works for 3 days a week and earns a salary of $670.85 per week. So here we have weekly salary. From weekly salary, how much does she earn per fortnight, per year, per month, and per quarter? So first, we should know that fortnight is equal to 2 weeks. Year, it is equivalent to 52 weeks. Quarter, it is equivalent to 13 weeks or 1 over 4 year. Month is not, we can't express the month in terms of week because we know that the month is equal to 4 weeks and some days, 2 or 3 days. Okay, so a month equal to 1 over 12 year, or we can say when the year can be expressed in terms of weeks, 52 weeks, so it is equal to 52 over 12 weeks. Okay, so if we have, if Georgina earns a weekly salary equal to $670.85. Okay, so how to calculate the fortnightly salary? Fortnightly salary equal to the weekly salary times 2. We multiplied by 2 because we have 2 weeks in a fortnight. Yearly salary can be calculated by multiplying the weekly salary by 52 because in year we have 52 weeks. Monthly salary, from monthly salary, we can deduce the monthly salary from the yearly salary because we can't use and deduce directly the monthly salary from the weekly salary. So the monthly salary equal to the yearly salary that we calculated before here. Okay, we divide it by 12 because in a year we have 12 months. Okay, quarterly salary. Quarterly salary we can use, for example, we can use yearly salary and we can divide it by 4, or we can use weekly salary by multiplying weekly salary by 13 because in a quarter we have 13 weeks. Okay, so very easy, and we can apply the the above rules that we explained here in the previously explained in the following exercises. For example, Jim works for 4 days a week and earns a salary of $842.66 per week. So we have weekly salary here. Okay, so he asked us to evaluate the fortnightly salary. Fortnightly salary equal to weekly salary multiplied by 2. Okay, monthly salary, yearly salary equal to weekly salary multiplied by 52. Okay, and we use the calculator to evaluate the results. Okay, now, so monthly salary equal to yearly salary divided by 12, and so on. Quarterly when we have times 13, so normally we have here weekly salary because in a quarter we have 13 weeks, so multiplied by 13, so we use the weekly salary here and we multiplied by 13, etc. And the exercise 2 and the 3, we have the same given. Okay, we have the same idea but with different a different weekly salary, so you can do it by yourself. Okay, we should know and have can take and memorize as rules. Fortnightly salary equal to 2 by weekly salary, yearly salary equal to 52 by weekly salary, quarterly equal to weekly salary by 13, and monthly salary equal to yearly salary divided by 12. In the next one, Harry works full time and earns a salary of 68,600 PA per annum. Per annum. Okay, per annum. So we mean by that per year. Per annum. So per year. So we have here yearly salary. How to that we can deduce the weekly salary, fortnightly salary, monthly salary, quarterly salary from the yearly salary. So in a year we have 52 week. So we can divide yearly salary by 52 to obtain the weekly salary. And we know that from weekly salary we can multiply it by 2 to obtain fortnightly salary. Okay, or we can divide yearly salary by 26 because a year contains 26 fortnights. Okay, monthly salary we can divide the yearly salary by 12 because in a year we have 12 months. Quarter, we can divide the yearly salary to obtain the quarterly salary by dividing the yearly salary by 4 because in a year we have 4 quarters. Okay, so we have examples here and we can deduce anything and we can apply it in the following exercises. So Helen's works full time and is salary 74,022.50 $100 per annum, so per year. So here we have yearly salary. How to obtain weekly? We divided by 52. We divided yearly salary by 52. Monthly salary, we divide the yearly salary by 12. Fortnightly salary, we divided the yearly salary by 26 because a year contains 26 fortnights. Quarterly, we use the yearly salary and we divide it by 4. So very easy. Here, sorry. Okay, Here I use the approximation to the nearest whole number. Okay, so without any decimal point. So okay, to the nearest whole number. Very good. You can take the following exercises as homework. Okay, but as a hint, in the exercise 7, we have different salaries for different uh, advertisement. For example, we have here 80k dollars. We have here like here one 110k dollar, and we have 14k dollar. We mean by k thousand. So for example, 40k, we mean by 40k $40,000. Okay, very easy. The next example we have, for example, if they gives us the monthly salary, how to obtain from the monthly salary, how to obtain how to obtain, for example, weekly salary. We should know that a months or a month can't be expressed in a integer number of weeks. So we know that month is equal, 1 month it is equal 4 weeks plus 2 or 3 extra days. So we can deduce directly from monthly salary the weekly salary. We should path it through the yearly salary. So in step one, to obtain the weekly salary from monthly salary, we evaluate first the yearly salary. We know in a year we have 12 months. So yearly salary equal to monthly salary by 12. Then to deduce in step one. Step two, to calculate the weekly salary, we use the yearly salary and we divide it by 52 because in a year we have 52 weeks. And we obtain, for example, we can calculate it to the nearest cent. We mean by the nearest cent to the nearest hundredth place. We mean by that to the nearest 0.01, to the nearest two decimal places. Okay, so we have an example. Justina is employed full time and earns $7,320 per month. So we have the monthly salary. How to use this to obtain the weekly salary? So we we calculate first the yearly salary by multiplying the monthly salary by 12. We obtain $87,840. Okay, $840. Weekly salary, we divided the yearly salary by 52 and we obtain a number, a limited number. Okay, so we approximate the weekly salary to the nearest cent, so to the nearest two decimal places. So we compare the digit which is directly on the right. 0 is smaller than 5, so 3 remains the 3, and we replace all the digits on the right by 0, so we obtain $1,689.23 as weekly salary. Okay, so exercise 9 and 10 are very, very similar. In exercise 11, we have different employees. So that earns, for example, they gives us their salaries per annum, per week, per month, and per quarter. And they ask us who earns the most. Okay, who have has the largest, the biggest wages, the biggest salary. So to compare these salaries, we should calculate this salary in the same unit. For example, we compare it weekly. We convert or we calculate this salary as weekly salary. Okay, so per annum we divided by 52 to obtain the weekly salary. Lisa per week, so we it remained them. We have the weekly salary of Lisa, so it's remained unchangeable. Paula, per month. So we calculate first yearly salary by multiplying the monthly salary by 12, and then we divide it by 52 to obtain the weekly salary. Okay, and finally for tran, we divided, or we multiply by 4 and divided by 52 to obtain the weekly salary of tran. So we have here one, and 1,000, 1,000, 3,000, 300. So we compare the salary from left to the right. We have here 2, we have here 5, we have here 1, we have here 1. So the largest for us is Lisa, for Lisa. Okay, so very easy to compare the salaries, and Lisa earns the most. Next, if we have hourly salary, hourly wages, okay, if we have hourly wages, and we know the number of the working hours per week. So how to, for example, how to calculate weekly wages from hourly wages? We simply multiply to obtain weekly salary. We multiply hourly salary, or hourly rate. We multiply it by the number of working hours per week. Very easy. For example, here we have Robert works a 35-hour week and is paid by 23.65 per dollar per hour. So hourly rate, it's equal to 23.65, and we multiply it by the number of hours per week, which is equal to 35. So we multiply it by 35 to obtain the weekly wages. So, and so on. Very easy. So how to obtain hourly salary from weekly salary? We simply divided the weekly salary by the number of working hours per week. Okay, as we see here, for example, Patrice earns $520.30 for working hour, a 22-hour week. So we have weekly salary. We can divide it by the number of working hours per week to obtain the hourly rate, or the hourly wages. Okay, finally, so finally, if we have the hourly rate, how to obtain weekly wages, fortnightly, yearly, average months? So very easy. Weekly wages equal to hourly salary by the number. So fortnightly, if weekly by 12, by 2, yearly wages, weekly wages by 52, because in a year we have 52 weeks. And finally, monthly wages equal to yearly wages divided by 12. So, and we have exercises 18 as application, numerical application on these rules. So it's very easy to calculate it, and use and we can use the calculator to obtain the final result. Thank you for listening, and I'm waiting for any of your question. Bye bye.